வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். Be blessed by divine, be blessed by divine. May the whole world enjoy prosperity, wisdom and peace. Dear students, the Yoga for Human Excellence in Master of Vocation, I am happy to welcome all of you for this session in which we are dealing the subject in the Yoga for Modern Age. So here now we are going to see the Nithyanantham Meditation, the benefits for the body and the mind. So the agenda here is description, explanation about the meditation, then the benefits what we are deriving from that. Then we are going to see the effect on the mind also. So when we say Nithyam, that means it gives a permanent happiness in the body. So the meaning comes here as the permanent happiness in the body. So Nithyam plus Ananda, the permanent happiness. Generally Ananda is for happiness. That we can give the word pleasure in the beginning. Then when it goes above and above, then it becomes that ecstasy. So the pleasure, Ananda, then ecstasy, that comes in the final stage. Nithyanantham Meditation. So the meditation which helps rejuvenate the body. All the cells are rejuvenated here. Generally we know that the static state, the absolute space, which has the potential, inherent potential by which the particles, the Panchabhutas, they arrive. So the first particle, the dust particle, then the Akas particle, they are formed. Then the Panchabhutangal, that means the 5 types of physical elements, they are formed. Then later on, they are transformed into living and non-living things. One by one, they are coming here. So finally, it comes as the human being. The free energy particles circulating within the body can be made to perform dual functions with the help of the mind. One by the central nervous system, where the brain and the spinal cord, they occupy its activities. Then second by the autonomic nervous system, where the heart, lungs, stomach, kidneys, they play a major role in the autonomic nervous system. All of them function with the help of the life energy particles. Biomagnetism is born of the divine state, and the dynamic energy particles which have arisen from the divine state working together. Now you can see this, the magnetism, how they are spreading into the universe. So the magnetism coming from all the non-living things or inanimate, they are said to be the universal magnetism. Then the biomagnetism coming from the living beings, maybe the plants or insects or the birds and the animals, finally the human beings. So the magnetism coming from the living beings, it is said to be the biomagnetism. So biomagnetism circulating within the body produces a vertex which is situated at the center of the physical body. So that vertex, which is called as the genetic center. Now you can see the figure, and the center you can see that black dot. So that is the genetic center. So the biomagnetism from the genetic center is allowed to spread all over the body during the Nithyanantham meditation. So the biomagnetism which possesses large amount of the energy inside the body. So now that energy is taken up and distributed throughout the body. Therefore all the cells of the body, they receive that energy. It helps in the free circulation of the biomagnetism. So the meditation helps activate all the chakras in the body. Yes, we have the 7 chakras in the body, starting from Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipuraka, Anahata, Visuddhi, Agna, Duriyam. So all these 7 chakras are activated. It intensifies the biomagnetism in the cells and produces an ecstatic feeling also. So the meditation which helps you to reach that ecstasy also. So universal magnetism blends with biomagnetism as the mind remains focused on the body. When we concentrate on the body, the universal magnetism, which is surrounding us, that enters into the body and becomes the biomagnetism. The spiritual awareness increases by this meditation. Keeping the mind focused on the body makes the life energies function within the body alone. It activates the body cells and makes them work better. The benefits of the Nithyanantham meditations. The immunity increases, provides mental strength and specificity. Body feels rejuvenated. We are getting more and more energy that we can feel. Mind becomes ecstatic. So these are all the benefits we are deriving when we do the Nithyanantham meditation. So Nithyanantham meditation, generally we can do at any time we like that. We take the energy from the Mooladhara, that is the genetic center. By inhaling, we take it up to the brain. Then exhaling, we distribute the energy throughout the body. We do like this for 10 to 15 minutes. Then the remaining time, we spread the energy throughout the body and observe the energy throughout the body, that biomagnetism spreading throughout the body and stabilizing that we observe. So this will be the Nithyanantham meditation. So we are very much happy that you have seen the introduction of this meditation. Then later on you can do the meditation and enjoy the benefits. Thank you very much. Be blessed by divine. Be blessed by divine. May the whole world enjoy prosperity, wisdom and peace. Be blessed. Be blessed. All